All right, let's hop into our activity folder for today, my loves. Wednesday, we've got those chapter 6 notes. Also, you want to make sure that you're finishing that outline and letting me know if you've got any questions. You also have those chapter 5 notes, my loves. So when it comes to those chapter 6 notes, hop on in. Again, we should be familiar with this process for now. We've been modeling it in class for a while. As a reminder, your PDF copy of the novel is in that white Unit 4 Great Gatsby resource folder in our main class stream. At the bottom, you'll see the notes activity. If you click that, it should force you to make a copy. And then you should be staring at something like this. So just as a reminder, you want to be making notes about the characters, any changes you see in them, what they might be symbolizing, their dreams, or anybody in there when it comes to that collective American dream that Fitzgerald's been critiquing throughout the novel, or if you see somebody with their individual American dream. You want to be marking for historical context, cultural context, and any of those why the face vocab moments, or just in general question, any moments where you're like, what the heck, I need to talk to Lucas about this. As another reminder, my loves, this is the dreams and symbols box, so these are your notes. If you're not sure what a symbol might mean or what it is, or if you just feel like, hey, there's probably a symbol here, I want to talk to Lucas about it, feel free to add that in and make a note, and we can certainly discuss it more later on. Let me know if you've got any questions.